Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Wherever you are in this world, welcome back to my channel, Martin 6 Trading. Okay, today is the last day of the month of March. Okay, today is the 31 March 2021. And still with me here in my channel, with me Martin 6. Okay, and like usual, I will make some update regarding my trading journey. And of course, still using Ichimoku Kinko Hyo as my trading system. And let's go straight away to my MT4. Okay, here we go, my friend, guys, good traders, wherever you are. I'm here in my MT4 and I will make the latest update about the position that I have so far. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this is the Bitcoin chart. And we will take a look. Okay, we go to the trade column and take a look. Okay, for the moment I have oh, sorry, uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 position 12 position 12 position with total profit is $406 for the moment. Okay, until this time I have 406 dollar. Okay, we will take a look one by one every single portion that I had. Okay, the first one is GPP, pound sterling versus Swedish kroner. Okay, this is really nice looking. You can see nice and sexy. The price is bullish. I bought really the perfect time here. The stop loss I already moved it to break-even point, and now it's floating more than 400 pips. This one is $112 floating profits, or around 500, yes, 500 pips. That is in terms of pip. Okay, the next is Swiss franc versus Singaporean dollar. Okay, this is also another nice and sexy chart. I bought it in this perfect place, the beginning of the bearish trend, and it's going down very smooth, very nice. And take a look how much this is. HF SGD, $69 floating profit. The stop loss already moved it to the break-even point. Okay, we will move to the third one. Okay, this is also another nice setup. I bought it here in this particular area, this candle, and the price now is strong bullish. And for USD, $71, okay, or nearly 400 profit. It will be. I'm going to close this when it's reached $80, okay, because my target profit is only 400 pips. With the ratio is 1 to 1 to 4, 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 with it. 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Yes, this the ratio risk and reward ratio is 1 to 3 or 1 in 4, it's something like that. Okay, it's not always the same. It's depend on the pair, but mostly I get it 1 to 2 or 1 to 4. Okay. Next trade is Euro US dollar. Okay, this is the beginning from the bearish trend, and it seems promising. The price is going down. It seems like the euro getting weaker and weaker days by days, and I will move a little bit the stop loss. Okay. Voila. Okay, I move the stop loss to break-even point. So Euro USD, let's take a look. Euro USD. This is floating profit $39. Okay. Go to the next trade. This is USD versus Danish kroner. Okay, this also the setup of the bullish trend, and I'm going to move the stop loss. Okay, I'm going to move the stop loss to break-even point. Voila, nice and sexy. And we take a look to the trade column. This is $33 floating profit. Okay, we move to the next trade. It's also identical with this previous trade, almost similar, and I'm going to move the stop loss upward as well. Okay, I'm going to stop loss to break even point, and this one is USD Swedish kroner. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, $50 floating profit, really nice. And we're going to the next one, Euro Zloty, Polish Zloty. Okay, or this is Poland currency. Okay, Euro versus Polish Zloty. Okay, this also going to the correct direction. Bullish trend, and actually I bought in this area. Okay, and it seemed like a little bit late because supposed to be I can enter in this particular area, but now it's goes to the correct direction. Okay, going to the right direction, and I will move my stop loss a little bit, just a little bit, because we'll give the price to have some move, so the price will have enough space to move. Okay, this is important. You not always move the stop loss to break even point every single time the price is already moved, but at least you try to narrow the stop loss itself. Okay, we move to the next trade. Is New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, this is the bearish trend that I took, and the price is already here. When I bought this in this area, this candle have long red candle spike down nearly 100 pips during this day. This is a last week, and now the price is a little bit sideways here, and I just only move the stop loss a little bit. Okay, let's check New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar. New Zealand dollar, okay, this is floating $22. Okay, move to the next trade. Okay, this one is pound sterling versus Canadian dollar. This is a little bit too early for me. I'm using 12-hour time frame to take this position. Okay, and now if you see 2 days ago, the candle almost hitting the stop loss is only few pips away before my stop loss get hit, but suddenly during that day the price is going down again, and now just Slim Shady here. Okay, this Mr. Slim Shady in the house, and the price is only one step ahead from the buying price. Okay, this is have -$3 or nearly -$4. Okay, but it's okay. Okay, I have confidence that this is gonna be very soon, but it's just matter of time. Okay, anyway, I already put the stop loss, so I have no worries much this one. Okay, and the next trade is Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. Okay, this is quite early. I hope this is the perfect place, but after this candle, after I bought in this position in this candle, suddenly the next 3 days the price is going up. You can see the candle all is the green color, and now the price it seems going back to the bearish trend. Okay, anyway, I already put the stop loss around 200 pips. It seems like the price is not going anywhere, but we take a look in the trade column. Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar is -$3. Okay, move to the next. This is also pound sterling versus US dollar. This is the major pair, and also this one is quite early. I took it too early. Of course, this is already okay. This is why the reason is I took the position is because I'm using 12-hour time frame from MT5 IC markets, and this one here is strong trend, nearly 1000 pips trend, and after a big wave like this, the price normally will going down. Okay, according to the statistic, according to the backtest that I made before, after long or big wave, the price have tendency to going down at least 100 or 200 pips. Okay, it may be not gonna make a new strong trend again, but the price of course gonna be a little bit slow down and make another retracement. Okay, take a look. GBP US dollar, okay, minus $8. No problem. I already put the stop loss in the proper place. I put the stop loss in the edge of the Kumo cloud. Okay, this is the Kumo cloud nearly breakout. You can see now it's getting smaller and smaller, getting sharp here. So this is the sign of the cloud, the Kumo cloud, going to break out. Okay, and now is the last trade that I have. The last position that I have is Euro versus Swedish krona. Okay, Euro versus Swedish krona. Okay, here if you take a look, guys, you can see by yourself the Chikou span already outside the Kumo. Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen also is already going out already out from the Kumo cloud and pointing up. Okay, or pointing the bullish direction. And here is, you can see how many, it's been maybe around 2 weeks. This is the price is sideways, but now suddenly the price decided to take off from the base. Okay, and the stop loss that I put here is also the same in the Kumo cloud. It is around 200 pips. 200 pips at the edge of the Kumo cloud. So the stop loss is quite wide. The reason is, of course, we need to give some space, the room that really quite big enough for the space to have maneuver or to decide where they want to go. And now it seems like it is really nice according to my setup, but of course this is not guaranteed setup. It is a setup, but the price will go wherever they like. Okay, we cannot just saying that it will be good, the result also will be good. Okay, the result could be anything, but as long you put the stop loss in the proper position, you have no worries at all. Okay, you need to calculate everything regarding your own money management. Okay, don't follow me blindly. If you take a look here, it is risky. Can you imagine, from the 12% that I have, if you calculate all, if you lost it all in the same time in the bad situation, knock, I don't like it to happen, but it's trading, everything can be happen. If you lost it all in your position, that means you can be lost nearly 40% from your capital. Okay, not everybody have the same courage or have the good gut. You need to have the really strong stomach if you trading like what I have now. And especially for me, I use only $2,000. Maybe if you have more than his, of course the things will be totally different, of course. And this is I consider is this disposable money for me, so I have no worries at all, even though I lose it all. But it's, thanks God, it's really happened. Okay, this is a little bit food for thought for today. Okay, chicken soup for the soul for today from my side. I'm not gonna give you a lot of lecture about theoretical about trading, because you can do it or by yourself, or you can take a look with other channel. I'm not really interested to do that. Okay guys, that's it for today for my vlog. I hope you can take a good lesson from my vlog today. Okay, I'll see you next week because today is already Wednesday. I don't think I will make vlog tomorrow because it's swing trading. Okay, it takes times to see the movement of the price. Okay, thanks for watching wherever you are. Keep safe, keep healthy. Please make sure if you have vaccine, take it guys, because that is important. At least that is the best thing that we can do now. Even me, I don't have COVID vaccine yet, but I do my best because the government a little bit slow about distributing the vaccine. Okay guys. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen. God bless you guys. Okay, thank you.